How do you see the future world of employment? What jobs will be in demand? 3 types of professions. The first is the food industry. The second is the clothing industry, but only in a way that will meet our basic needs. What do you mean? You need something to wear. Of course, like you need food. You need food too. Basic needs. You need a place to live. We need hospitals. We need schools for children, for all ages, for adults, for everyone. These are human essential needs, and we need them. We can't escape this. This is one thing. Another thing that we need, even far more that we have to develop, is the virtual connection between people. Because this is our future. It's in order for all of us to be able to feel that we're all living in a single system, in a single framework, as one man in one heart. And this is something that's in our favor. This is to our benefit. We want to be connected with each other. And the connection that we have to reach is an emotional one, a heartly connection between our hearts and minds. And until we reach this kind of state where we're connected with each other in heart and mind, we also have to be connected externally. Meaning long distance, from afar. And this is something that you can't do anything about. This is how it is. We'll have to develop these kinds of ties, connections. Besides, there's a need for everything. Let's hope besides arms. And this is something that we can continue developing, but to the measure to which it doesn't harm the environment, or that it doesn't harm society. Meaning, to some extent, everything has to be arranged to the benefit of man, so that he'll be balanced with his inner nature and with the outer nature. And this is something that we have to talk about all the time, discuss between us, learn about. What are the different steps that we have to take until we reach a state where we're all connected, all around the world, in a single feeling, and that everything will be to the benefit of man.